how to check which tables and underlying each style. Now, there is something which you need to know, which everybody need to know, right? For the Fiori, how the debugging need to happen with the Fiori, how you will be checking from the backend till what level a functional consultant can go at the backend for the Fiori, right? So Fiori is not a small topic. Fiori is a big topic. I have myself has taken more than 100 plus hours of training on the Fiori, technical trainings also. And what I have done, I have squeezed everything. The question which you are asking, yeah, if I get stuck in the Fiori, how I would be using it, how at the backend I can go it, till what level I can go at the backend in the Fiori, right? Till what level we would be able to understand the things in the Fiori, right? It's a new interface which a consultant also need to understand. So I have created a course that is almost between 10 to 12 hours of course. I have squeezed from all the technical courses and bring it out that each and every consultant, whether you are from the technical background, whether you are from the functional background, what are the things you need to know about Fiori? What are the things you need to know about Fiori without going into the technical coding part of it? That thing I have brought into a course. That course is called A to Z Fiori course. I will just give you a glimpse of that course. This is a small sessions. I would not be able to go into the detail of everything, but I want to tell you that that course, the A to Z Fiori course, has everything which you require, right? Which will be answering all of your questions.